Alright, today we have some huge updates coming to HighLevel. This is mainly going to improve your experience in the funnel builder. So if you already use HighLevel for yourself or your clients, you will find them super helpful. And if not, you can get a 14-day free trial if you sign up with my link in the description. Number 3 is going to be the Animated Logo Carousel. This is for a cleaner look. So mainly on the websites, you would show these logos when you feature our previous clients, our previous customers. So currently what I used is you click the plus icon and then I went to pre-built sections and you need to look for partners. And for example, this you just drag and drop. So here you have the logos. You can add a headline and say these are our previous customers. Now you also have the option to add another column and add element. And once you go inside the element section, you need to look for the logo showcase, which is already highlighted as a new feature. And this is going to be a slideshow, basically moving logos. Of course, on the right side, you can customize it so you can change the spacing between the logos. You can use a carousel layout instead, but I think that this one looks much cleaner. And then you can also change the image, of course, update the logo. You can add a CTA link. So if you want them to click on the logo and maybe take them to the home page of the brand that you are showcasing, you can do it. You can increase the speed and you can pause it when you go over the logos. You can add a background color. So it's really the same customization, but it's just a much cleaner look. If you look at the preview, the live page is going to look much more professional. So here's the live page. I think the one on the bottom is much cleaner and much more professional. In the comment section, let me know what you think about these updates. Let me know which one was your favorite, and don't forget to grab your free trial. You'll also get access to automation, snapshots, you'll get support on every day of your trial, and also an onboarding call, live Q&A calls, and you'll also get instant access to my private school group.